Let's convert this to 3-pin without having to cut any wires. There's lots of different types of adapters out there that you can buy in the store, and just plug them in and now you have a 3-pin. But what you see is they can be quite loose. They may not make great contact, and personally I don't think they're fantastic. But there are many different types. You have this one here. Again, just plug it in. Now again, that's also a little bit loose. What we did find is we found this one here, where the 2-pin plug goes in and locks down into place, and we find it to be very good. So what you'll need is a small little screwdriver. So just open it. Once you have it open, you can see then where the little slots here for the 2 pins go in. You can see the little tabs here that will grip onto it, and it's also fused for extra safety. All you need to do then is just pop it into place, press down, and it'll push the pins in like that. It's nice and snug. Close it over, turn it back around and tighten up. That's good and tight, and you can see that there's very little movement and it's making good contact. Now the reason that we've used this is because we may in the future be traveling to a different country, and a lot of countries are 2-pin, so it's only a matter of taking this back off and you can use the electrical item again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below, drop a comment, and you can follow us on the usual social media websites.